Hello guys. So today I'm going to teach you how you can download Grok 3 on your PC. So you're going to navigate to your default browser and then you're going to type in Grok 3. Then you're going to click on this second link that you find here. As you can see, you have been brought to this window here. You can press here on this option for try now. You're going to press on that option. Now you'll be brought to this page here. You're going to have to sign up. You can select the account that you'd like to sign up with. Now you can choose the way that you want to sign in. You can see you have three options here. So I'm going to choose Google. Now you'll be given this icon here. So you are going to press on, and then you're just going to simply press install. As you can see, it's installing in the background. So the app has already installed. As you can see, the app is added to your home screen, and that is simply how it's done. It's a very short process. So if you found this content useful, consider subscribing.